Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Wondering about the new Yahoo Mail upgrade? Yahoo has rolled out a significant refresh, focusing on a cleaner look and smarter organization for your inbox. The biggest change is a beautifully redesigned interface. It's more modern, intuitive, and much less cluttered. You'll notice new views prominently displayed at the top of your inbox. These automatically sort your emails into helpful categories. There's a shopping view that conveniently tracks all your orders and finds deals. A travel view keeps all your flight and hotel information in one organized place. This makes finding specific emails much easier and faster. Yahoo also added a groceries view for coupons and your shopping lists. The core search function is significantly improved too. It's faster and more accurate than before. You can now easily unsubscribe from unwanted mailing lists with just one click. No more digging through tiny, hidden links. The new update also brings enhanced package tracking directly within your inbox. You get real-time updates on your deliveries right when you need them. Customization options are better as well. You can personalize your inbox with new themes and various layouts. These changes aim to make your entire email experience more efficient and less stressful. It's all about helping you manage your digital life with greater ease and clarity. The goal is a smarter, faster, and more organized inbox for everyone using Yahoo Mail.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.